At jersey number 15, Jaden Lasso. At jersey number 32, Dom Escobar. Head coach, Coach Nell Howard. And now let's meet your starting five from Santa Red Lions. Starting with the jersey number 3, Richie Kaliman. And number 12, Nigel Gonzalez. And number 21, Yukin and Brada. And number 27, Maynard Sokolia. And number 33, Joe Salso. And Coach Yodi Escuela. Our referee in this afternoon, referee Lenore, referee Bonifacio, and referee Dindina.